Millions of years ago, a mass of liquid rock, magma, cooled under the ground without erupting. Over the millennia, softer rock around it eroded, leaving the more resistant material exposed. The strange appearance of the geologic structure is a result of the very slow cooling of the liquid rock. The cooling process resulted in a distinctive pattern of cracks that continued into and throughout the rock, similar to when mud dries and cracks. Columnar jointing is known from many places around the world, and it's explainable by physics. In the past few years, random non-scientific people have made up an idea that Devil's Tower is a giant tree stump. The manufactured story is that Devil's Tower is a remnant of what forests used to look like. In Facebook 2016, a joke page started the tree rumor by claiming that Wyoming officials found a massive root system. This wasn't true. A local radio station encouraged residents to tell tourists this silly tale to see if they would retell it to others back east. Well, flat earthers latched on to the made-up tale because it fits in with their unscientific worldview that nothing is as we've been told. Fringe ideas sound really interesting. Controversial claims get more clicks on social media. Most people have never been to Devil's Tower, so it's easy to post wild claims about it. Most who are pushing the Devil's Tower as a tree idea haven't seen it up close and do not understand geologic processes, or are deliberately ignoring the scientific explanation. They get value from being contrarian. It's common for people to subscribe to the fantasy that the earth was once more fabulous than it is now. But wishing and believing extreme ideas about nature doesn't make it real. There is danger in ignoring scientific findings. There is also a hazard in even talking about ideas like this because people might remember the false story and forget that it's untrue. This seems to be what happened with the Devil's Tower as a tree idea. It started as a joke, and now some people think it's true. Satire is dangerous when people can't think critically and fail to comprehend the joke. Here's the takeaway. Learn some basic geology before attempting to talk about geologic topics. Respect the scientific explanations. They are the closest approximation to being correct. One wild and unsupported idea can't overturn a robust, well-tested model of how the earth works.
Música